Okay, at this moment you can see the house, the soffit and all the roof underneath the roof kind of dirty. That is before using the chemical to clean with the pressure washer, the Simpson pressure washer they have. So as you can see they have the dirt and mold and mildew all over the soffit underneath there, and all those gonna be gone. So I'm gonna show you after the pressure washing, the cleaning of the peak right here. Okay, all right, and on the back is the side, mold and mildew and all outgray clean. Those gonna be gone. You can see the result of using the sodium hypochlorite on the second part. All right. Okay guys, YouTube, this is the after using the sodium hypochlorite cleaning the house. So as you can see the picture from now on, a lot cleaner, nicer, and it's very simple to use, to mix. And I have recredited these to the Dan's vlog. I've been watching his video. He showed us how to use and how to mix and how to do pressure washing the correct way, I think, and it's really work. As you can see, the house a lot cleaner, both driveway and everything. I learned a lot from that video set series. So thank you, Dan, once again. Dan's vlog, if you're watching, you are the best. All right, well, so if you guys have any comment, concern, just please leave down below, and please, thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day. I'll see you next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Once again, the house looks clean. Thank you.